In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful. Respected students, you are most welcome in our online academy, the ESL Academy by Sir RANA. Our contact number is 0305 6319464. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is the ESL Academy by Sir RANA. Go to YouTube bar, type the ESL Academy by Sir RANA, and you can subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. So may you receive our newly uploaded videos. We've got our blog, ranasirliteratureblogspot.com. Go to Google, type ranasirliteratureblogspot.com. Moreover, you can also visit our page, PhD MPhil Linguistic and Literature, English Zone, the ESL Trainer, MA English Linguistic and Literature. There are many pages you can like. So after liking these pages, you will be able to receive newly posts related to linguistic and literature. Today we are going to discuss modern drama, Henrik Ibsen's drama. So here we'll discuss why he was writing in the favor of the feminism. Today we are going to discuss two assignments. So before that, yesterday I discussed dollhouse. I just want to get in a way to explain Hedda Gabler. I explained touch of the dollhouse. In dollhouse, you have noticed he is showing the reaction against convention and traditions. So here the modern writer, they are questioning the norms and old thoughts, tradition and conventions which people were following blindly. Writer asks, why feminist being they are depressed by the male participant? Why males are playing with them? They have just confined them in their houses. They are just housewives. They are not letting them go out. So they can't decide. She's working all the day and she's jobless. She's homeless. She doesn't have any home. George Bernard Shaw, Oscar Wilde, James Joyce and Henrik Ibsen. They were the supporter of feminism. They are also called that they are the sensitive writer. They supported the feminism movement, and they are also called feminist writers. And how they are called? Because Henrik Ibsen's mother, she also suffered, and she looked after the children, and throughout the life she suffered and ultimately died. And he saw all that scenario, and that is why he wanted to have liberty for the women. The women should be given opportunity. She should be given inheritance, property, or like that. She should be given value. She should be owned. She should be given certain chances for progress and development. That's what's a great obstruction for the female in that time, because in that time that area is round about, you could say, between the First World War and Second World War. I've told you that time that the feminist movement that was at peak, and the modern writers, they were also writing for sake of for breaking the old shackles and traditions and conventions. And modern writing, they're asking. And the second thing is that modern writers give you opportunity to expound and interpret many meanings. As Ezra Pound said, he was also a modern writer. Ezra Pound said, make it new. Whatever you've got idea, ancient, old, modern, whatever, make it new. So whatever idea you have to make it new. You have to polish it. You have to interpret with a new way. So here we are going to discuss Ibsen's feminism. Henrik Ibsen's feminism. I'm your host. I'm your lecturer, Sir RANA. Our contact number is 0305 6319464. Kindly come to the assignment. Ibsen, that is page number 36. Ibsen feminism. Prior to discuss, I would like to discuss themes in Hedda Gabler. Please come forward. There is another page, 41. Themes in Hedda Gabler. Please write some points. If you've got a paper or pencil, write some points. Themes in Hedda Gabler. individual versus society. Write this point. We have to expound it later. The second point, triangular relationship. In triangular relationship, I would like to explain how we can prove there is a triangular relationship. This is also theme in Hedda Gabler. First you will write individual versus society. There is individual and then there is a society. There is a clash between individual and society, and that is also a kind of modern tragedy, because social factor is involved in a way to create tragedy. So in modern tragedy, social norms, social convention, problems, these are ultimately leading character towards tragedy. So over here, very first point, individual versus society, then triangular relationship. In Hedda Gabler we have noticed there is a triangular relation. Lovborg plus, please write it down, Lovborg, Hedda Gabler plus Tasman. This is a triangular relationship. Hedda Gabler and Tasman, they are both husband and wife. And Lovborg was before having a relation, so that she is coming in triangular relationship. Before that she had a relation. She had a physical relation with Lovborg, and after that she moved to marry with Tasman like that, because she was influenced from her scholarly attitude and knowledge, and he was having a good prospective job like that. That is why she has got married. So the first is Lovborg, Hedda Gablers and Tasman. They are in the triangular relation. This is also theme of the, we will expand it. You can expand very easily. You like writer, you can expand as much as you can. How they were in a relation and what they were doing with them, and what was the Tasman's and Hedda Gabler relation when they come back from honeymoon, and what were her remarks about Tasman, because Tasman was all the day busy in books and she wants some freedoms, liberty. She wants to have some person who purgate her, who gives her catharsis all the day, talk with her. She wants some amusement and relationship with somebody. So she wants triangular relation. She builds triangular relation with another character. Before she had a relation with Lovborg, and later when she got married and came back, Lovborg kicked out from her life, and then she got another person, Tasman, Hedda Gabler and Judge Brown.